Okay guys, welcome to Market App. This is a platform where you can earn points and then soon you will be converted to token for to Markets wallet. Okay, so how to earn rewards for farming? Every 8 hours you need to farm, but from now they lower the farming time 60 minutes. You earn 360 tomato points. Okay, so click task. You can earn more tomato here by completing tasks. Okay, those with check mark already completed. Okay, example, subscribes to Maslow. Click start. You can earn 1000 tomato. Okay, join. Okay, done. Let's wait for a little bit. Then the claim button will pop it here. Okay, so by the way, tomato points partnered by Bitget. This is the screenshot, guys. So Bitget announces their partnership. Okay, so this is legit because it's already partnered by Bitget wallet. Okay, so go back. Okay, this is what I need to claim now. After the start button, claim. Okay, we got the 1000 points. This is the task that you need to complete so that the points it will be increasing by the end of this farming and end of this end game. Okay, so this is the friends also. You can invite as more as you can. Okay guys, that is the update of tomato partnered by Bitget Centralized Exchange. Okay, come and join now.